Well then, what have we done then? Let's have a look in here. Oh. Turn that down. Okay, so fix the wash wipe. So that works. Got the stereo in. Put a plate across there to fix the dashboard that was cut away. Put a plate there to cover a big hole, and that's now the light switch for the interior light. So that's done. But the main feature is solar charger. So we've got a solar charger there, 2 USB ports, all working. Switch the auxiliary power on, and it's charging the battery, you can see. As soon as it gets to 4.56, the solar panel turns off. BBC Radio 2. And it drops down a half a volt, comes back on again. So that's a constant battery trickle supply for when you're parked up. Probably very similar to a camper van setup. And that's a cheap controller. At the minute I've got a huge panel on it, but obviously that's not feasible to have on this vehicle, so I'm going to get a panel about a third of the size of that. That's max power, that is about 6 amps, 120 watt that is. So I think a 25 watt panel would do. It's only for when you're pulled up and you know, you don't want the engine running to keep your battery charged. So if you got the radio on and you're having a sausage sandwich, or you forget you leave your lights on, next day, if you're overnight, then next day you can charge your battery up and get going again. So there you go. Anyway, that's just an update on the dash, all taken care of, apart from this. Yeah, I'm fumbling with ideas what to do with that at the minute. Put some foam filler on it and glue a piece of I'm sure you can buy this vinyl covering, foam filler it and cover it back over. Not important at the minute to do that, but yeah, it's great. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. It don't cost nothing, and ring that bell. Ole, ole.